this fall, you may have noticed on your deck or on your front porch that the spiders are really active. And you know, some people are really nervous about spiders, but really they are gardeners' friends because they do eat bugs. So if you see spiders in your plants or in your eaves, on the webs you're going to see the females, and then on the others kind of running around are going to be the males. And they're really, the females are collecting, they're trying to get fed and just trying to bulk up because they're going to start laying eggs for the winter. And then they'll hatch out in the spring. So really, if you see those webs, just admire them. They're interesting. It's nature, and just kind of leave them alone because they really will help your gardens next year.